Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Figma components. Components are fundamental to efficient design workflows, allowing you to create reusable UI elements. They ensure consistency across your projects and significantly speed up your design process. Understanding how master components define properties for their instances is key, as instances automatically inherit all updates, saving you countless hours of manual adjustments. To create your first component, begin by designing any element you wish to reuse, like a button or an input field. Once your design is ready, simply select it on the canvas. Then, you can either click the Create Component icon in the top toolbar, which looks like 4 diamonds, or use the quick keyboard shortcut, Command plus Option plus K on a Mac, or Control plus Alt plus K on Windows. Once you have a master component, you can easily use its instances. Simply drag them from the Assets panel onto your design canvas. You can then override specific properties like text, colors, or even swap icons on individual instances without affecting the master. Remember, any changes made to the master component will automatically propagate to all its instances, ensuring design consistency across your project. For more advanced component usage, explore creating component sets, also known as variants, to manage different states or sizes of an element. Utilize properties to control various options within your components, making them incredibly flexible. You can also nest components within each other to build complex UI structures. Finally, publish your components to a team library, allowing everyone on your team to access and use them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.